what's up guys, for today's video. So today I just want you guys to actually see the tower that I'm making. This is just a video just in case it falls. So here it is. This is made from the Jenga that we made from the other video we just released recently. Alright, let's go continue this. This is gonna be really hard.
Mga kapuso, the heat is on.
I hope you guys like this video.
Ano pa kainit ngayon? Mapapakinabangan pa rin ang sikat ng araw.
It takes a lot of time just to make some videos for you guys.
First Filipino design and made electric boat.
So we do the best just for you guys to enjoy.
Solar assisted plug-in electric boat. Or SESI boat for short. Developed by engineers from Boy University, headed by engineer Venus Cruz.
We want to create a boat with 0-inch to have
We're
it
done.
powered by battery,
We're done.
100%
That's it.
electric.
There's no more pieces from the Jenga, so we're done.
Co-funded by DOST.
Congratulations, and we're
Maraming
done.
efforts on the modernization sa land. May Egypt,
Alright, you guys.
Then we want also to carry over yung momentum
Alright.
sa maritime.
Alright, if you guys
Susubukan nating sakyan
want
yan.
like
Yung ano ni sir.
something satisfying, I hope you would like this. I mean, I can do this again. Mommy, count down. 10 to 1.
We selected
Countdown.
motor with the highest efficiency, as well as yung battery na mabilis po charge while matagal gamitin.
Bukod sa fully electric o pwedeng i-charge sa 220 volts, solar assisted na rin ito. Itong SESI or yung boat natin can run for 2 to 4 hours. Doon ay galing tayo sa regular charging. Pero, pinakabilis na ito.
Yay!